Okay, so you're signed up and you're ready to start. Thank you for choosing this course. Welcome to how to become an influencer in Zimbabwe from zero to your first 10,000 followers. We shall go over the proper steps to follow in your journey, your digital journey of 0 to 10,000 followers. This method is tailor-made for Zimbabweans. So if you're not in Zimbabwe, you might hear references to tools and applications and even locations you might not know or understand. But what we've tried to do is make a course that is relevant to the environment so that if you're an influencer in Zimbabwe, you want to build yourself, you want to build your brand, your name, and become a proper influencer in Zimbabwe and grow your Instagram account. This is the method. This is the way you're going to do it. From the first time you start opening a fresh account where you have 0 followers until you have 10,000 followers. So this is the steps we're going to follow through on. The next course will involve how to then now use the 10,000 followers you have to make money online. But let's start right from the beginning. Let's start from the bottom and show you how it's done. So without further ado, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump in. So let's go to day one.